What to do if you missed your immigration interview or court hearing.
Greetings. I am Attorney Edwin Fogam, an immigration attorney. Today I wanted to touch on what you should do, a foreign national should do if he or she misses her immigration interview or a court hearing. This is happening more and more now because there is a lot of panic and many things are misunderstood, and people are missing interviews even though they are being fast-tracked, and people are missing court hearings. So what do you do if you miss your interview? First, regarding the interview with USCIS, if you miss your interview and you find out that you've missed it, if you didn't know, please, the first thing you do is go to the location if you can. And many times it may be possible to talk to somebody directly, but you may get some information. The next thing is sit down and write out exactly why you missed your interview, why you couldn't make it, and mail that to the office. Now, hopefully you have the notice and you know where to send that information. Send it by certified mail return receipt requested or by FedEx, and make sure it gets there. Thirdly, follow up on that letter. Make sure it was received, and call if you have to, schedule an InfoPass appointment if you have to, but make sure that it was received and your interview has been put back in the trajectory for rescheduling. Because if not, then your case will be considered abandoned. So stay on it until you know that your interview is going to be rescheduled. Now, regarding the court, the immigration court, that is a more serious situation because if you miss your court hearing date, you will probably be ordered removed, deported in your absence. Now, what do you do in that situation? Of course, if you are represented by an attorney, there will be some reasons why that happened, and you have to discuss that with your attorney. Hopefully, a motion to reopen will be filed. Now, if you were not represented, then make sure you contact the office, the clerk immediately, get some information why that happened. If it was based on the fact that you were not given notice, you have almost unlimited time to file a motion to reopen. If it was for another exceptional reasons, you could also file a motion to reopen. Unfortunately, the filing fee for motions to reopen has been substantially increased from $100 and something to about $1,000 plus. But if you have to do that, you may have to do that. Otherwise, you will remain in limbo because you would have been ordered deported if you don't take actions. Remember also that most of these motions to reopen are time sensitive. 90 days, if you don't file the motion within the reasonable timeline, you will never be able to file it again, or you may have to be trying to get the court to reopen it on its own, which is pretty difficult. So make sure you stay on this. It is, if you receive a notice or a court notice that you didn't appear for your interview, you don't need to panic. Just take time and follow some steps like this and look for somebody who can assist you. If you have any questions or you think we can help you, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 301-608-1555, and you can also send us an email to ekfogam@fogamlaw.com or info@fogamlaw.com. I hope this was helpful to you, and please remember, don't fear the system. Understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.